Good morning, good morning. Today we got a nice day for you. We're headed to Bauhaus, which is like Home Depot, German style. And we're gonna pick up a big barrel for overnight ice bath, like overnight oats, but with water. It's gonna be cold the next day. So we're gonna pick that up, and then we're also gonna get a big tank of gas for the grill, and we're gonna cook some food out there today at the field. Also get some hitting in and some defensive work as well. But that's the plan today. There's my ride. Oh, maybe that's not my ride. Maybe he got the wrong address. Oh, there he is. Here's the real ride. What's up, dude? What's up? All right, the plan is pick up some ice barrels and a gas tank for the grill. And here's Home Depot. Oh.
I got these at home.
Oh, that's pretty cheap.
Yeah, but the problem is you don't get in like until your shoulders.
And this is the big boy. There's a crack in this one.
You can share this together.
Yeah, you could get two people in here. Yeah. All right, we're going with the 500 liter.
Do you need a top or?
Well, we're having some trouble fitting this in, so we'll just have to drive like this to the field. Drop the stuff off at the field, and we're gonna pick up some groceries and some bags of ice because we want to try the plunge today, and we got to speed up the cooling process. And we're gonna make some breakfast too. Got a long way to go. Got it all hooked up. And we got a flame. I really didn't think this would work. Hopefully we can clean a little bit from just smoking it out and scrubbing it. This guy. So luckily this salmon has skin on it. There's no like foil here. Got to pick some up. I'm just gonna cook it kind of medium heat, and hopefully it'll just cook through on the skin side. So we'll see how it goes. Oh, so this definitely isn't the best way to do it, but it's what we got right now. So this will be nice salmon for breakfast, some eggs, brötchen, just like bread, and got some cream cheese too. Oh, looks like we're getting some oil. Wow. Breakfast, brunch was a success. Having a little coffee here, and now Linus and I are going to hit on the field, not on the field, but in the cage. And then do some outfield work too. Not a full practice, but still very important. Warm up, roll out, stretch. Got to make sure everything's running smoothly before you get after it. Takes anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes, sometimes longer, but absolutely necessary. Almost took that off the face. There we go. Thanks. Take one more. Just finished up a little cage session. Now we're going to get some outfield reps, focus on ground balls, and go from there.
You don't have to fill it up to the top because when you're in the hole, it's cold now.
Nice. Yeah, it's good to test the limits in practice so you know which balls to go after aggressively. Yes, yes, no type stuff. And then you're good in the games. All right, we got a quick rinse off and then into the can. All right, Linus.
I mean, it's good. It's not too cold.
Yeah?
It's good.
Not too bad.
No.
How long you think?
Hopefully 3 minutes.
3 minutes?
Hopefully.
Okay. I can keep track for you.
Okay. So I got 7 minutes now?
Yeah. Atta kid.
Perfect, man.
Cold tub. Yeah, that's good. Now start the clock, please.
7 minutes.
Yeah. So first time, Justin?
First time.
It's okay. Canada's pretty cold, isn't it?
It's a good one.
There you go. Just don't even think about it. Yep. Easy.
Really slowly.
Into your belly. Big fireball in your belly. All right, I'll start the timer now.
Thank you.
So I'm at the field here. I think it's like 9 o'clock. A couple days a week. Do some laundry at night. Work on the videos upstairs. Finish up hopefully around 10:30. Good morning. Did not sleep at all pretty much last night. We have an off day tomorrow, so I can sleep tomorrow and I can perform today. That's the plan. I'm gonna go to the store, get some breakfast, and then we have pictures today and 2 scrimmages just against ourselves. So it'll be a fun day. The sun's already out. I mean, what could get better than this, you know? Okay, this is what I got. Water, Franzbrötchen, bread with cheese, croissant, ham and cheese, brötchen, blueberries, bananas for lunch, avocado for breakfast. Plus, we got this for breakfast and this for lunch too. Grocery haul. Microwave eggs, brötchen with cream cheese, avocado, and blueberries. Picture day running late as usual.
Late games.
So get some rolling out in. Then we got 2 7-inning scrimmage games. Everyone's showing up pretty early, so got a little bit of time, like 30 minutes. Gonna take some swings. We got a nice Evo shield here and we're waiting for pictures. So perfect time to get it fitted and sized for the scrimmage in a couple hours. Plus 5 XP speed points. Plus 5 XP power. Now just wait 30 minutes. Game ready. for today?
What's poppin', guys?
Okay, hands are full. That explains the funky camera angle. Let's see. Just finished pictures, and now we got 15 minutes before scrimmage start time. I'm on the away team, so we're in the far dugout again, and we're gonna get 2 games in today. Feeling good. Oi! Yeah. All right, we lost the first game, but we're gonna scrap it. Yeah, it's done. It's over with. Now, second game. Have some fun in the sun, and let's rock!
And do like the first and third base, get a broom and all the stuff, all the dirt.
Picked up the W, clean up the field, and then we're going to Hooters. Just rode a scooter to Hooters. The bus had some serious traffic, so everybody got off. But luckily there was a scooter nearby, and it was like a 15-minute scooter ride. So now I'm walking to the Hooters right now.